Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to CJ's First Cooking Show. I am CJ, this is Nate.
Hey!
Right over there's Ethan.
Ayo!
I know I talked, it was the same time that Nate said Ayo. So
Ayo.
You didn't. Ayo!
So glad that you guys are here. Actually, today's a pretty special day, bro.
Very special.
There's been some time put into this moment where everyone's been waiting. The anticipation has built up.
We're waiting.
Today is the day that we actually have our first recipe video for the new pizza oven, the accessory
Hey!
to go with
Hey!
the 22-inch.
Looking.
So today I'm gonna show you guys a delicious recipe, a basic one. I'm gonna do just a legit, ultimate, extra pepperoni-y pepperoni pizza.
Pepperoni E?
Yeah.
Well, nothing
Extra
basic
pepper,
about a beautiful
extra
bubbly
oni.
pepperoni E pizza.
Can't wait to show you how to do it.
Pizza, pizza.
So come on, everyone, it's CJ's First Show.
Okay, preface, little explanation, if you will. I'm not a pro pizza maker. I've made a good couple pizzas in my days, but I don't make my own dough. Actually, I hear Scott makes his own dough.
Oh man, there's some weirdos out there that are like science nerds who care about gastronomy and culinary excellence who would make their own dough.
Nerd alert!
Jeez, Ninja Steve.
Ninja Steve.
As Pirate Steve.
Steve the Pirate Scurvy!
Or is that like Scuba Steve?
Scuba Steve.
All right, so yeah, there's those folks who are champs out there with their own dough, but I am not one of them. This is, if you don't know, this is CJ's First Cooking Show, and we cook,
And we quote.
and I like to
buy
take
pre-made
shortcuts.
Wait, let's take a shortcut.
Most
To my
grocery
dough.
stores do this, like in their deli section.
Yeah, they've got like the cheat dough
They know
waiting
how to
for
make
you.
dough. Trust them.
Trust them. Let them do the
Yeah.
hard work for you. So this is a fun technique, and so this is important. Actually, it's cornmeal,
Very
a very fine corn. Actually, I'm gonna do a little bit more. I don't know why, but this makes me think of if you're in Albuquerque, it would have been Pistol Pete's Pizza,
It's the Pete's Pizza! Everybody loves it!
or anywhere else in the world. It could be Chuck E. Cheese.
Chuck E. Cheese. Is that still around?
Yeah, dude. it is.
Terrifying.
It's awesome.
Terrifying.
It's amazing. My girls
What?
love Chuck E. Cheese.
Terrifying.
We've had amazing birthday parties there. So we've had this pizza dough actually sitting out, which has allowed it to turn into this wonderful,
Fluffy dough ball.
beautiful flow. It's very airy, so hopefully we get a nice airy
Little
pizza
fluffy crust.
Oh yeah.
Bubbly.
Yep. So I'm gonna set this down. I'm gonna get a little bit more powder, powdering my
Look
nose.
at you.
Let's go powder my nose.
I'm gonna do a little bit of flour. So
Oh, that's actually.
Ethan's starting to back up.
That's actually a good move right there.
Yeah, thank
Letting
you.
gravity do the work.
And so I'm rolling and stretching as I go. And dude, I'm seeing all those air
Oh,
bubbles.
yeah.
Those are
That's
gonna be
the
those
money.
like crispy pockets. All right, so I feel pretty good about the size of this, specifically for this pizza peel that we have right here.
Boom.
This is a really, really great sauce. So we're gonna go down with, you know what? And here's a fun thing that I learned from Todd. I thought it was really fantastic. He said, you know, you might want to. You're like, okay, I love pizza sauce. Like, I want to put a lot of sauce down. Don't oversauce it. Don't oversauce it. Just use
The appropriate,
amount of sauce. I don't know how much that would be, but
Too much sauce.
pepperoni or cheese first? Ethan, what do you think?
Cheese first.
Whoa, just right out the gates with that. Here's what, I'm gonna meet you in the middle. I'm gonna do a little cheese,
Then
and
me.
then I'm gonna do some pepperoni and some more cheese.
I like it.
Yeah, that way we get a little
Low
bit of a base
moisture.
of some shredded mozzarella. Yes, low moisture.
Oh, also, we've been letting the pizza oven heat up for
Ooh,
about
that's
15 minutes.
Thank you very much.
We want that up to 500,
600 degrees. I don't know. I haven't worked with these enough yet to know the perfect scenario. But from what I understand, 500 to 600 is the way to go. And then we're gonna cook a little longer. I like a crispier pizza.
Me too.
Yep. E,
Yep,
how do you
yep.
feel about that?
I like that deep dish.
You like
What?
deep?
The board expects your resignation in 30 days.
Also
So-
to mention, this is an accessory that goes on to a 22-inch griddle. So if you have a 22-inch 2-burner, this accessory will fit right on top, which we do.
That's what I was gonna say.
Oh,
I was gonna say all that. Thank you for saying that for me.
You know what? You're welcome.
I'm gonna go down with a bit
Layers.
more cheese. Now that I've got that there, I'm gonna do a little bit of our
Oh,
Tutto
you.
Italiano.
You're going
Dude,
so too.
guys, we are cruising. And you know what? In fact, we're cruising a little too much right now. Before I even put this in the oven, I feel like we need to ring it and bring it real quick.
Yeah, it's been way too long.
Okay,
Parched.
my bad. Yeah, me too. Yeah, we're a few minutes in. Here we go.
There we go.
Here's the pizza. So, another important thing. We built on the pizza peel. This is important. This is going to allow us to just get up and go. So let's get up and let's go.
Let's see.
All right, dude. Here we go. I'm gonna set this guy down. Ooh, it is hot in there.
Here we go.
Now the cornmeal should make this an easy distribution process.
Yeah, boy. Looking like a
And-
pro.
Ooh, look at that bubble. Dude, I'm excited about the bubbles. All right, and then it goes back in. And then we are gonna let that hang out and cook.
What are we gonna do?
Yeah,
What do
I
we do
guess
for
we
a
just
few minutes?
we'll keep bringing and bringing. But it's also important to know that probably every 2 or 3 minutes I'm gonna go over there and get my pizza. Gonna grab it and rotate it a little bit. Even distribution of the cooking, making sure all that crust gets nice and crispy.
Crusty.
All that cheese gets nice and melty. Dude, this is quick.
It's weird. Wow. Your shows you usually wait longer and
Wait,
drawn out.
Is this
Is this how you feel all the time? Because, you know.
is this what it feels like to be like on your show? Like lame?
Dude,
Like all this
cut.
extra time?
Cut.
Man, this sucks. Whoa, the pizza's too big. Hold on. That's not good.
It's done.
That.
There's Ethan's deep dish.
Don't bother, I think it's dead.
Now we know what not to do.
Blame myself.
We need a bigger pizza.
We need a bigger boat?
We're gonna need a bigger boat.
You're gonna need a bigger boat.
Okay, so we're gonna do this again. We're gonna, basically do the same process. Let's get our dough. We're gonna add that cornmeal first. That's important. Get some flour in our hands. Stretch that out to the appropriate side. Sauce, pepperoni, or a sauce, cheese, a little bit of pepperoni, a little bit more cheese, a little Tutto Italiano. We're moving on.
Woo, Bob's your uncle.
Getting that ready. Let's throw that in the oven. All right, now.
I don't see a lot wrong with this.
Well,
I mean, this is my jam. I mean, this is like what?
Okay, so this is a little too crispy of a jam.
Slightly crispy.
Mostly dead. He's slightly alive.
Oh my good lord.
Yeah, dude. Okay. Look, I'm not saying. I'm just saying. That's all I'm trying to say.
What are you saying?
I'm not following you.
Look, this is. I'm just gonna have to try it.
That's a crisp crust.
That's awesome.
Burnt. Slightly over caramelized.
Speaking of awesome, let's check on our pizza again.
Okay. I'm coming. I'm with you, buddy.
All right. Okay.
Oh, you beauty.
All right. I'm gonna rotate just because we're figuring this out. Oh, see.
It took one pizza and now you're a pro all of a sudden?
What can I say, dude? We're ringing it and bringing it.
All right,
that
round
pizza's
two.
about to be done. I'm all
The round two
covered.
winner.
Round two. Let's get this
Come
guy.
on, dude. CJ Frazier.
Yes, sir.
Just when I thought you couldn't be any dumber, you go and do something like this.
And
Totally redeem yourself!
first one. Spent a little too much time ringing and bringing, perhaps.
No more bacon burning, just a little dough burning.
Hey, whoa! Let's not start that again.
Don't start that again.
I think the moral of the story is don't go far because this cooks pizza
So
in
fast.
4 minutes
Or less.
or less. This looks pretty incredible. I'm
Dude, this
really,
is
really happy about this.
gorgeous.
You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna give it one last post dust.
You in the post dust.
Dude, the post dust of the Tutto Italiano.
Although to be fair, I put Parmesan cheese and red pepper flakes on my pizza.
Oh, I do too, but I'm making just a basic one.
Yes.
Actually, I have a whole lot
Nothing
of
basic about this. This is good looking.
Dang right, because look at that.
Butte clog is a butte.
Truthfully, dude, I feel like we're on the road to the Flavor Town. Like this is truly the
The
best
highway
way.
of Flavortown, bro.
Definitely.
Speed limit
Hey,
70.
CJ, did you know that Bon Scott's morning routine actually consists of gargling red wine and honey to keep the raspy, edgy voice that he has?
Red wine and honey.
Yep, every morning.
Huh. What if I did red vinegar and brown sugar?
You'd probably throw up.
That was like a slightly rhetorical question, but I think that your
Solid.
answer was appropriate.
It
We'll
was.
accept it. Judges say.
Thumbs up, average Joe.
Why don't I have a pizza
You need one of
slicer
those
out
big
here?
old school style.
Absolutely.
I bet Betty has one.
Yeah, she does. You know she does. Okay.
Dang, this is awesome, dude.
Dude,
I don't get that excited about too many of your cooks, but this one, not all of them. You don't get excited about my cooks.
Yeah, because you cook crap. And I cook delicious food. Let's it walks like duck and talks like duck.
If it walk like duck and talk like ducks.
That's true, Cyril.
I'm not necessarily a pizza expert, except I kind of just...
Apparently you are an age.
I kind of am. To become a pizza expert, you have to go through this.
Once.
Leave it in the comments below. I know the first one was burnt. You don't have to say anything.
They're gonna.
But feel free to say something if you want to. Leave it in the comments.
It took you one try and you're a pro.
It's good to be here. Speaking of comments.
It's
time.
We made it.
We're here.
Here we are.
Let's do this.
We did it.
It's time for...
Comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
There's a pizza oven in your parking spot, dude.
Yeah. There's an Iron Tank pizza oven over there, so we're gonna kick it right here and do comments of the week for the first time in many moons.
From Hera.
Yeah, it's a good time. So this is the segment of the show, if you've never been here before, where I screenshot comments from you, the viewers, and if you write it,
we read it.
That's how this game is played.
Them's the rules.
Them's are the rules, and sometimes they're fun, and sometimes they're well, they're always fun. They're always going to be fun. But starting from the top in no particular order, I lost my place, so here is the order. This comes in from Johnny Endo.
Appleseed.
Him too. Way too many movie quotes. Okay. Couldn't even make it to sing The Cook. Sounded good though.
That means he's definitely not here now.
No, he's not here now. So, but if he were, I would say, hey Johnny.
Appleseed.
Be good.
He wouldn't like that joke.
He would never have watched for the changes, and nor would he have kept up.
Yeah!
Watch me for the changes and try and keep up, okay?
This next one comes in from Barbecue Jones.
Hey, Jones.
Hey,
no
Jones.
time for love.
Hey, Dr. Jones, no time for love.
I'm always exhausted after watching this show.
Oh.
Ha 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 ha. Looks delicious. Barbecue Jones, in all
it.
fairness, I'm exhausted after cooking this show.
Yeah. Cooking this show.
Uh-huh.
You're exhausted right now, or delirious?
I could use a little power nap.
Pardon me, but it's nap time.
Okay, this is funny. I'm not sure how to take it, but 01GTB Daily says...
That old name.
It says, why does this bearded guy keep interrupting this episode of, quote, 100 random movie quotes with a chicken burger recipe?
Clever girl.
Clever girl.
01GTB Daily.
It's my middle name.
You stay classy.
Stay classy, planet Earth.
All right, so this one's a really special one. This is from Myra. Sorry, Mariah.
Oh, Mariah.
Yeah. Okay, Mariah. Mariah. She just recently had her baby girl. Her and her husband just welcomed a new little bundle of love. They're still at the hospital, some complications, but she said, CJ, my dad Mark introduced me and my husband to your show and loves that we just have to watch every week now.
Oh, that's awesome.
I told him we've made it to the favorite comments of the week, and naturally he was so excited and thought that he was cool. He also convinced us to buy our Blackstone in the first place, so clearly he's really smart. He's good.
He's good.
Yes, so Mariah, to your father, cheers to you, cheers to the family and that new beautiful baby girl that has entered this world. Okay, this next one's from Shadow Trooper. It's a funny play on the letters there, Shadow Trooper. Well, it explains it with your comment.
Nice shadow games.
F's! Just cook.
Is that it?
That's it.
F's.
F's.
How many F's?
2 F's.
Fantastic.
4. Well, hey there, Shadow Trooper. I'm sure you're not watching, so this one goes to anybody else that would like a ring and bringing it in their honor. Okay, this is good. This is from an older one. I'm not even sure which one it was because I just took a screenshot. It's from Clever Handle.
Clever Handle.
So it's not just a clever name. It's like Ralphie, Randy, and Schwartz grew up. The bell rang.
What?
What are we going to do? I don't know, but the bell rang.
What are you gonna do? I don't know, the bell rang.
Clever Handle.
Clever Handle.
I really hope that you watch this and realize
oh, man.
that was very
money.
clever.
That
we
was
appreciate
money.
that one. All right, dude, we wrapped it up. I feel like I can stand up now.
I don't know.
I don't know,
You
dude.
want to get away from that? Don't get too far. 'Cause
No, I'm not going anywhere.
Ethan's back there. He's
He's
eyeballing. Dude,
he's been
he
eyeballing
was.
this. Hold on. E, are you afraid of this pizza?
I ain't afraid of nothing.
How about you just go for it?
Okay.
Wow.
We could use some ranch.
Oh no.
That's disgusting.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Definitely pick yourself up one of these new pizza ovens. The addition to your 22-inch Adventure Ready or any 22-inch that you've got. This is phenomenal, dude.
Bam!
4 minutes.
Pow!
You got a pizza done.
Pow!
You're on your way.
Pow!
To Flavortown.
Pow!
Or the highway.
Are you saying pow? What are you saying?
Be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com for this recipe. It's a basic, awesome, ultra pepperoni. It's pretty easy. You don't really need a recipe for this one. But there's a ton of other recipes. Also, be sure to go to griddlenation.com where you can pick up this shirt, other shirts, stickers, swag. Oh! Come over here. All right, watch out for the hot pizza oven. Whoa.
What do you got?
Dude.
What you got there?
What you got there? All right,
letter?
from the Team Ghost Monkey Brewery, John, dude, I got your package. I got the
Dang.
stickers. He sent all kinds of goods. Ethan, pick out 2 of those real quick. I'm
Ghost
putting them up
Monkey?
on the board. Okay, we're gonna do all of these. Okay, right there.
One.
One tack to rule them all.
One ring to rule them all.
I guess we'll see you guys on the next episode. Remember,
yeah.
this is definitely CJ's first cooking show where we cook and we...
Eat pizza and
Whoa,
quote.
gosh.
Oh, jeez, this guy. All right.
I said and quote.
You have pizza sauce on your face. See you guys later.
So come on, everyone, it's CJ's first.